So the Boeing astronauts that have been stranded in space have just been delayed again. And is anybody actually surprised? NASA just announced they're targeting no earlier than March 2025 for their return trip home because they're waiting on a new SpaceX Dragon, which is pretty cool. So NASA will launch a whole new set of astronauts to take over the International Space Station, and then Butch and Suni will ride this spaceship that they already have up there home. So yeah, they're not really stuck. They want to hand the ISS over the right way. They want to make sure everything goes smooth. By the way, these guys have been up there since June. I also love that in the press release, they were like, normal missions are about 6 months, and some people have done even longer trying to have Boeing's back, but come on, we all knew this was a 10-day mission. At this point, you only got a few things guaranteed in life. You got death, taxes, and that the Boeing astronauts are somehow going to extend their trip in space. Follow along and I'll keep you updated.